Afternoon. Okay, today we are going to do some writing. Now what is this? Now you have to write 5 sentences. No, 5. You have to write 5 sentences about this. Okay? So what is the first sentence? This okay? This is a flower. Okay. Why do we have to write the flower? Why can't we write it? No, ek hai is all right, but every time we will not say. If I say this is a girl, now every time I'll say the girl is playing. The girl is. We don't have to repeat the words. It becomes repetitive, na? So you have to use now it. What you have to use? It. I-T-it. Now every time you will not say this flower or the flower. It. Okay? This is a flower. It is. It is a red. Why a red? Red is not a thing. Red कोई चीज तो नहीं है. Red is not a thing ना. तो हम वहाँ लगाते हैं where you can count. Red को कैसे count करोगे? How can you count red? 1 red, 2 red, 3 red. Can you count red? Red is a color. So you can't write a red. It is red. It is it. Just write it is red. Bas, that's all. Okay? This is a flower. It is red. Good. Now third sentence. Now whether tell me the size. What is the size of the flower? No, not little. It is a. Okay. 8. Say, come on. A small flower. Now, how do you spell flower? Very good. Flower. It is a small flower. Now, what else? How many? Okay. First, you write. What will you write? 8. 8. नहीं. If तुम्हारे पास एक बुक है तो आप कैसे बोलोगे? Yes, I am a book. I am not a book. No, beta, don't keep it. Now, मेरे पास ये चौक है. How will you say? I am a chalk. I am not a chalk. No. मेरे पास होने के लिए आप क्या बोलते हो? अगर आपको इसको पूछना है क्या तुम्हारे पास पेन है, आप कैसे पूछोगे? Do you? No बेटा, आपके पास कोई चीज होती है तो आप कहते हैं I have a chalk. What is the word? Have. You use have with I, you, and if there are more than two people or two, more than one you use have. और अगर single है, if there is only one person, she, no, उसके पास एक चौक है, she, then have नहीं लगता है, then you don't, she, no, she has a chalk, she has a pen, she has a flask, okay? Has means आपके पास है, okay? She has, he has, I have, you have, okay? अब इस फ्लावर के पास लीव्स हैं, तो आप क्या बोलोगे? It have. How many flowers are there? How many flowers are there? One. So what will you use? Very good. Just clap for Uma. Yes. It has very good. It has. Now how do you spell four? F-O-U-R. Four leaves. How do you spell leaves? L. No. L-E. L-E-A-V-E-S. It has four leaves. Now what is the color? No, it nahi, because now four leaves are there. They are not leaves, they are green. What will you write? Now how will you spell they? Very good. They are. Is this okay? Very good. A-R-E. They are green. They G-R-E-E-N. They are green. Very good. So 5 sentences have become. Now you know what are these called? Red क्या है? What are these? इसको पत्ती बोलते हैं. पत्ती तो ये थी. Leaves are these are leaves. What are these? हिंदी में आप क्या बोलते हो? पत्ती थोड़ी बोलते हैं. गुड़हल तो फ्लावर है. एंड गुड़हल को इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं It is hibiscus. It is hibiscus. Flower. It is hibiscus flower. आप जो गुड़हल बोलते हो उसको इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं hibiscus. क्या बोलते हैं? Hibiscus. Now what are these? Now every flower has different color, ना? Different color की ये होती है ना? So what are these called? इनको क्या बोलते हैं? हिंदी में क्या बोलते हो आप? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? पंखुड़ी बोलते हैं? नहीं बोलते. पंखुड़ी नहीं बोलते. फूल की पंखुड़ियाँ बोलते हैं. इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? We call them petals. We call them. What are they? P E pet. Pet, petal. A L, petals. It has. Now how many petals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 5 petals. Now will you remember this? Yes. Okay, read this. It is a plant. It is red. It is a small plant. It has 4 leaves. Now what is missing here? What I should put there? What should be here? Full stop. Very good, Uma. They are green. What are green? Leaves. Very good. It is hibiscus. Hibiscus. It is hibiscus flower. It very good. It has 5 petals. Very good. Now I'll tell you. You give me 5 sentences for another thing. Now what is this? Okay. Can you make 5 sentences on this? Okay, number 1. Very good. This. Now why not and? Why not and? It is also 1, and is also 1. B is vowel sound? B is not a vowel sound. Very good. So this is a ball. Very good. The ball it is. Now don't shout together. Let her speak. Yes? It is small. Very good. Clap for her. It is. It is. Now what should be a? It is. It is a small ball. It is a small ball. Number 3. Or if you want to write it is. No, just wait 1 minute. It is small. If you want to write just small, then you can write it is small. It is small. Then you don't have to write a. But if you will write small ball, then you have to write a. Okay? So do you want to write it is small? Okay. It is small. It is a green and orange. Very good. It is. How do you spell green? Green. How do you spell and? Very good. Very good. I must clap for you. It is green and orange. What else? What else you can? What do you do with this? What do you do with this? Very good. Very good. Lolita, please let her speak. Yes, I play with her. I play. How do you write with? Very good. I play with this ball. I play with this. Or you write I play with the ball. You can write this ball also. You can write with the ball also. I play with the ball. Now write the fifth sentence. What this ball can do, see. We don't call it jumping. Ball does not jump. You can jump. She can jump. A ball cannot jump. What is it? It bounces. It bounces. So, what will you write? It can bounce. It can bounce. Now, how will you write bounce? Bow. O-U, very good. And no. Why not Z? Bounce. Bounce. It can bounce. It can bounce. See, this is bouncing. Right? It can bounce. Read. It is my ball. It is small. It is green and orange. I play with the ball. It can bounce. Very, very good. Clap for yourself. Okay, should we do some more picture writing? What is her name? Okay, Minnie. Okay, Minnie, fine. Right? So we name her Minnie. No, name? What is her name? Minnie. Two is good. Minnie. Mama. Mama is happy. Mama is happy. Tell them we have Yes, it is. Very good. What is it? And read it again. No, who goes? Who goes? Okay. Right, read fast. Come on, read it fast. Mini. What is it? When you go to market, what do? You give money and you? Suppose if you want to take vegetables, right? So you have to give money and you take that. So what is that called? You? With money, what do you do with money? You? आप कुछ खरीदते हो ना, तो खरीदने को क्या कहते हैं? Buy. B-U-Y. B-U-Y is when you give money and you get something. That is buy. Buy. And because mini is one person, so buys. What is it? Buys. Mini. Come on, read it. No. Read it again. Mini. Buys. Mini. She. Now what is forget? Forget. No. She forgets to buy the basket. She forgets to buy the Now forgets to buy the basket means? Yes, she forget. भूल गई. She forgets to buy the basket. She comes back home. Very good. She comes back. Her mother is no, it's not hungry. Hungry to me is, Mama, I'm hungry, please give me something. What is angry? Yes, you get angry. Why did you forget? You say, no, Auntie, Auntie, sorry, Auntie, I did not do my homework, you say? And then Auntie says, why didn't you do it? Auntie gets angry? Yes. How? How do you get angry? Her now when Mama is angry, what will Minnie do? Minnie, how do you write cry? No, C-R-I-E-S. Minnie, how do you cry? How do you cry? Come on. Show me how do you cry. You cry like this. How do you cry? Yes, that is the way. Come on, read it again. No, read it. Mama, you can say Mama also. Mama. Apples. How many are there? No, we don't say fishes. Like even if it is one, we say fish. Even if there are many, we say fish. Fish. Like a sheep. Sheep, malum hai? Black sheep. What is a sheep? That gives you wool. Sheep that gives you wool. देखिए sheep. What is a sheep? It's like goat. बकरी जैसी जो होती है भेड़. Yes, sheep. So even if it is one, it is called sheep. If there are many, even then it is called sheep. Sheeps नहीं होता ना? So bring apple, fish. No fishes. Fish. Now basket, after basket there is full stop, so you have to stop. When there is full stop, you have to stop. Read it again. Minnie full stop, so stop. Goes to the market. Good. No. But has nothing. Now what is nothing to keep? Nothing means kuch nahi. To keep the rice. To keep the rice means? I have a table to keep the chalk. Right? I don't have a basket to keep the chalk. And Minnie has no basket to keep the rice. So what do you understand? Minnie has nothing to keep the rice. What do you understand? क्या मतलब हुआ? चावल? No. She has nothing. She has nothing मतलब उसके पास कुछ नहीं. To keep the rice. Now you can't keep a rice in your hand. Can you keep the rice? Can you carry rice in your hand? हाथ में आप चावल ला सकते हो? So she didn't buy the basket ना. उसने basket खरीदी नहीं. She forgets to buy a basket. उसके पास राइस रखने के लिए कुछ नहीं. She has nothing. She has nothing to keep the rice. She has nothing to keep the rice. She forgets to buy the basket. What does it mean? Basket खरीदना तो भूल ही गई. Her mother is angry. Minnie cried. Okay, now come one by one and write the word here in place of the picture. What is her name? So you come and write her name. Right here. Okay, you write here. Okay. Yes, very good. Right. Knee. Now write knee. Help her. No, this becomes Mimi. Mimi. Help her how to write Mimi. Now write I-N. Why E? That becomes mine. Mini. Why C? Mini, yes. So write this small. Mini. Okay? Mini, very good. Mini. Now read Mini. Mini goes to the market. Come, Mama. You write. Come here. Why not Mama? Just Mama. It's so easy. Why? Mom. Right here. Very good. Mama. Come fast. Apple. Come on, write quickly. Fine. Very good. Apple. Come here. Come fast, right? No. Fish. Yes, fish. Some. Come here. Come quickly. R. Very good. And come, Navratri. Here. S. B-A-S. Is she right? B-A-S-K-E-T, basket. Mini, bas. Okay, now you have to write here. You come. No, she comes back home. Yes. Very good. She comes back home and her mother is angry. Now you know how to write mama, you know how to write mini, basket, apples, rice, everything you know. Isn't it? So you can write this picture writing in your copy. Right?